Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to find the missing number. In this video we will learn subtraction in another way. Today our topic is subtraction in another way. We can have a subtraction sentence like, if we subtract a number from 8600, we will get 4700. We have to find out that number. We will subtract from 8600 and we will get 4700. We need to find that how much subtracted from 8600 will have 4700 left. First step is subtract thousands. 4000 subtracted from 8000 will have 4000 left. From 8000, if we subtract 4000, we are left with 4000. From 8600, if we subtract 4000, we are left with 4600. Second step is subtract the hundreds. As we have to subtract 600 from 700, but we cannot take away 600 from 700. We have to subtract 700 from 4600. We will split 4600 as 4600 and we will write 700 as it is. As 700 cannot be subtracted from 600, so we will again split 4000. Therefore we take 1000 from 4000. We will split it as 3000 plus 1000 and we will write remaining numbers as it is. Now we will add 1600. It makes 1600. We can easily subtract 700 from 1600. 1600 makes 1600. Now we can easily subtract 700 from 1600. Now from 1600 we can easily subtract 700. And here we are left with 900. If we subtract 700 from 1600, we are left with 900. Now we will add 3000 and 900. That makes 3900. It means if we subtract 3900 from 8600, we get 4700. Here we have another method to find the missing number. Here we have the subtraction sentence. We have to find the missing number. To find the missing number, 4700 will be subtracted from 8600. First of all, we will subtract units. We will subtract 0 units from 0 units. If we subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. After the subtraction of units, we will move towards the tens. We have to subtract 0, 10 from 0, 10. From 0, 10 we have to subtract 0 and here we are left with 0. After the subtraction of tens we will move towards the hundreds. As we cannot take away 700s out of 600s. From 600 we cannot take away 700. What will we do now? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you. We borrow from the thousands. From 8000 we will borrow 1000 and here we are left with 7000s. In 1000s we have 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds and 600s makes 1600. Now we can easily subtract 700s from 1600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Out of 16 we have to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If we subtract 7 hundreds from 1600, we are left with 9 hundreds. After the subtraction of hundreds, we will move towards the thousands. We have to subtract 4000 from 7000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we are left with 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 in thousands column. Here we have the number 3900. It means if we subtract 3900 from 8600, we are left with 4700. In this video we have discussed how to find the missing number. In the next video we will learn how to find the missing digits. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.